We've got folding phones and rollable TVs, but Bang & Olufsen always needs to do things just a little differently. It's going with a traditional inflexible screen for its latest BeoVision set, and is instead opting to make the speakers do most of the moving. The heart of the BeoVision Harmony is a 77-inch OLED TV from LG. It's simply a gorgeous panel. B&O made a good choice here. The unique twist is that the speakers mask part of the screen when it's not in use. It doesn't blend into the background like LG's rollable set. Instead, it very much draws attention to itself with a bit of Art Deco flair. The speakers are housed in oak and aluminum with a linear design that forms a sort of gradient. When everything is powered off, the lines sit vertically and draw your eye towards the middle. And while the screen pokes out from the sides, the wood is very much the center of attention. Turn it on, however, and the TV rises up slightly and the speakers rotate down, almost like butterfly wings. Now the wood and aluminum line up horizontally and draw your eye up towards the screen. It's actually kind of ingenious. There's also a more stripped down set with a basic two-tone fabric and aluminum speaker design, but let's be real, nobody cares about that. People come to B&O for high-end electronics with over-the-top designs, not understated utility. Now, I'd be lying if I said the number of moving parts here didn't give me some pause, but it's hard to deny how pretty this thing is. Unfortunately, I will never own one, and you probably won't either. When the BeoVision Harmony goes on sale in October, it will cost a dream-crushing 18,500 euros, or nearly $21,000. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.